I've got 4 Safa guys led down right in the tree line, stopping them coming in from the left flank straight down. So
right, keep eyes over here. That's where I got it from.
There was 2 that were creeping around the back of the tree line. We've got a power in the trees just straight over. And I think Shugs is still over there in the tree line as well.
We need to just go for it.
Good idea.
Right, go.
And it's only running on 8.4. I mean, not like it.
Move to your left, dead man!
Right on me. Right side of big look. There's a guy there, a long guy.
Still people in that base there, huh? Come up behind you or something slow. Right. Oh, the top foot. Right. Right, we'll use what it was for, Jonathan, your left, your left. Yeah. Down.
There's one in a tree's hit and 1 more replacing him.
There.
Hey! What's the one in that?
There's 1 red and the barricade to my 12 o'clock about 30 yards out.
And did he bandages off? Aye, me. No, anybody else? Bandages?
I'm going.
You go, mate.
Whoa!
Where the fuck is the spawn point?
Right down there, there's a white and red stripy pole. Anybody else bandages taking off that?
Aye. Fuck.
Sorry. You're down.
Bandage on him.
Bandages.
Hit! Hit! I need one.
Just use yours.
Ready?
Ah, he's on it. Let's go.
If you guys want to head that way, I'll cover you. Ready?
Go. Sorry, I was kind of hot down. Maybe not.
That's why I didn't do there like a fucking bad boy.
Aye, with the Russian gear, keep your head down.
Aye. Let me know. You okay?
I'm just needing this to get in here.
Right, buddy. I'll get you and then I'm over there.
Cover and fire!
Yeah.
Cover and fire, I'll get those guys on the right.
Okay.
After 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ah! Hey! Huh? Straight in front of me, bro. Straight right here. Ah, yeah. Fuck's sake.